Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to the Math Club. In this video, we're going to talk about this question. Question 1 says, describe the reflection that moves shape A to shape B. Now, when the question asks you, describe the reflection, it means give the line of reflection. Now, how do we get lines of reflections? First, let's take a look at the two shapes. We have A and B. Now, to get lines of reflections, you have to find the midpoint or the midline between the two shapes. And to find the midpoint between two shapes, you have to find the midpoint between two corresponding points. First, let's put 2 points on the shape which are corresponding. This one is the same as this one. Very good. And the word corresponding means, it means the same. Corresponding means the same. Good. Now, the second step we do, we measure the distance between the points, from this point to this point. As we can see, we can measure the distance using the boxes. So how many boxes between these points? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now we take 4 and we divide it by 2 to find the midpoint. It equals 2. Very good. Now, because we have 2, we will find, or we will go 2 boxes, and then we will put the line of reflection. So, 1, 2. Very good. So, line of reflection will be here, and the midpoint between the two shapes. Very good. Now, with line of reflections, they're always in the midpoint or the middle between the two shapes, or the shape and the image. Now, we have to describe this line. This line here touches what? Very good. It touches the x-axis at 1. If the line is touching the x-axis, we always say x equals. Very good. And it's touching the x-axis at 1, so x equals what? Very good. 1. So, to describe a line, we need to say where is that line. Now, in this line, we said that it's always on x equals 1. If it's touching the y-axis, we say it's 1 or y equals, very good, the number that it touches. Now, as we said here, this reflection of A to B on the line x equals 1. Very good. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.